got so motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old guys on the block.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizwanti from Management Class 22B with NPM 224117. On this occasion, I will explain some material and various discussion about introductory statistics. Understanding statistics. Basically, statistics is a part of mathematics with specially discussion how to collect, analyze, and interpret data. The word statistic comes from English, namely statistic, which is of course different from statistic. Most of the basic concept of statistics are the assumption of probability theory. Well, science statistics is a science. Of course, there will be some foreign terms such as sample unit, probability, population, sample, and other. Statistics are a collection of numbers resulting from measurement or correlation with archival data. Usually interpret a sample statistic is it is a scientific method that can be assessed as a tool in making decisions by analyzing research data and so on. Next, what technique procedure are involved in statistics? This is descriptive statistics. This technique is assessed to summarize and provide information regarding the performance of the process or data. Inferential statistics. This technique is assessed to make conclusions about a population based on a sample of data. Inferential statistics involves hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, and regression analysis. Regression analysis. This technique is assessed to study the relationship between two or more variables. Regression analysis can be assessed to predict the value of the dependent variable based on the value of the independent variable. Multivariate analysis. This technique is assessed to study the relationship between there or more variables. Multivariate analysis involves techniques such as factor analysis, discriminant analysis, and causal analysis. Next, what is meant by statistics? Statistics is a science that studying the collection, processing, analysis, and interpretation of data. The data asset in statistics can be in the form of number or records that are collected, grouped, and tabulated to some information in often relating to a particular problem. 2. Why do you need statistics? 1. Statistics can help in making a more accurate decision. 2. Statistics can help in identifying patterns and trends in. 3. Statistics help in estimating the probability of an event occurring. 4. Statistics can help in formulating business plans and strategies. We need statistics. The importance of statistics in everyday life is no exception in the financial sector. The application of statistics in this field often has an impact on various sectors, from personal to global scale. Industry general statistics to make decisions in financial planning, as well budgeting. Statistics help in summary of ratio because it allows friends calculation and recalculation of ratio in table with its critical and also decrypted data forbids command over information. Statistics in education is important. Statistics in education help in the collection and presentation of data in a orderly manner. Simply, but statistics in education help in the orderly element of processing and of process data. Next, type of statistics. Statistics are descriptive statistics in a way to organize, represent, of describe a collection of data using table, graphs, and summary measures. For example, to calculate the number of people in an area who use the internet or the television in this type of statistics. The result of a presentation will be summarized into simple and easy to understand data. This summarization is done by using mean or deviation parameters to fit a population sample. The purpose of descriptive statistics is to simply the presentation of data and interpretation of data, making it easier for researchers to find the result of a study. Please remember that descriptive statistics is not concurrent with drawing conclusions about data. This is because descriptive statistics related to how data is descriptive or described but numerically and graphically. This concise overview of the data is obtained. Next, imperial statistic. Imperial statistic or imperial statistic is a type of statistic asset to explain the meaning of descriptive statistic. In other words, this type of imperial statistic is related to how to analyze data, determine quantities, their consolidation and magnification trace of all data is collected, analyzed, and summarized in descriptive statistics. Furthermore, interpretive statistics will have to explain the meaning of the data quantities so that a question can to be obtained. The foundation of this type of statistic is to predict and control the entire population based to the data contained during the research process. Individual statistics is often also called in ancient statistics because it contains collection obtained from entire population data based on sample or only part of the data. Next, consolidation. Economic statistics is a very important tool in modern economic analysis. By using data and statistic techniques, we can develop a better understanding of economic behavior, make better policies, and predict future economic trends. Okay, that's all the material I can convey. If there are words and sentences that are wrong, I apologize. Thank you. See you next time.